everybody, Miss Ashley here. We're doing a bird feeder today in our Eco Warriors. So you'll need a plastic bottle, some scissors, some string, a hole punch and a texter, and of course some bird seed. Okay, so today we're going to cut the bottle in half, alright? I've already put a hole in here with a sharp knife, so you'll need Mum and Dad to help you do this. Okay, we're going to cut it in half. Okay, now it's in half. We're going to cut in an upside down arch so the birds can get their food. So this is where you need your texter. And we're going to make a arched pattern. We're going to cut that out as well, okay? So you have one door there, we're going to cut the same size here. And do the same to the top. Now you have the door to your bird feeder. Now we're going to punch some holes in the plastic bottle so we can tie them together. Make sure they're in the same spots. Now we're going to tie it together. Connected one side here, we're going to do the back hole now. And you cut these pieces off, or you can leave them on, it's your choice. Okay, now we have our bird feeder here, and you can put in your bird seed. Alright, put your bird seed in, you can put lots and lots in so it fills up, and then your bird will come and sit and eat your bird seed.
Try painting your bird feeder a different colour or draw some pictures on the outside to make it fun.